Now y'all want some of that voodoo shit from 99. I gotta give it to you. Give it to him. And I ain't even trying to rap, but it's a HIT. Understand that, pimpin'? For sure. Yeah, put it down. Check this out. Check. Guess who's back? Nah, I never left. Reppin' Northside to my motherfucking death. Just like the Crips, everything to the left. Bloods on the right, cause we bang in the west. Nigga recognized like Snoop Dogg say. With a mouthpiece like I came from the Bay. I'm an asshole cause of things that I say. And a playgirl got some hoes on the way. A thug model chick, I ain't told you before. 26, but I got a long way to go. I'm bad, you can tell by them things that I do. I need more loot, what would Jeezy do? They love my swag, yes they do. And I'ma give it to them like I'm supposed to do. The first lady is Stockton, yes I might take over the West if I get a green light. This another HIT. Niggas stop lying, for real. And niggas, I ain't even trying. Rap's too easy for me, you see it, so please believe it. And yeah, bitch want me. Niggas stop lying, for real. And pimpin', I ain't even trying. She just wanna jump on the team real quick, so I'ma make some dollars off this bitch real quick. They make the beat so you know it's gon' hit, like the hand of a pimp when he's slapping a bitch. And if you wanna run your lip, I got a nice size 10 that you really could kiss. And I'm just speaking the truth, I really could diss. Don't got time for games, I'd rather make hits. Asshole like Puffy, nigga, oh boy. Treat you like a girl I'm making a band for. Give you a little, but y'all gon' want more.